This is a 2-colour 12-row repeat pattern using 2 colours, so you want 4 threads of each colour and you want to arrange them in this colour order. For row 1 you want to start with 3 backward forward knots. And for your last one, you want to do a forward backward knot. For your second row, you want to ignore the outside threads and you want to start with thread 2 and 3 and you want to start with a forward knot. Then you want to do another forward knot. And end with a backward knot. For row 3, you want to do a backward forward knot. Forward knot. A backward knot. And a forward knot. For your fourth row, again you want to ignore your first and last threads, and starting with thread 2 and 3 you want to do a forward knot. And you'll do forward knots for the next 2. For your fifth row, you want to do a backward forward knot. And then you want to do forward knots for the rest of your row. For your sixth row, you want to do a backward knot. And then 2 forward knots. For row 7, you want to do a backward forward knot. Then a forward backward knot. Another forward backward knot. And one last forward backward knot. For your 8th row, you want to do a forward knot. And then 2 backward knots. For your 9th row, you want to do a backward forward knot, a backward knot, and then backward knots for the rest of the row. For row 10, you want to do 3 backward knots. For row 11, you want to do a backward forward knot, backward knot, and then 2 forward knots. For your 12th row, you want to do 2 backward knots, and a forward knot. So once you've done those rows, you want to start again from row number 1 and keep repeating these rows for as many as you want until you got the bracelet, as long as you want it to be.